Updating drivers in Windows 10 is an important maintenance task to ensure that your computer's hardware components work optimally and stay compatible with the latest software. Here's how you can update drivers in Windows 10. Use Windows Update. Open Settings. Press Win+I on your keyboard to open the Windows Settings app. In the Settings window, click on Update and Security. In the left sidebar, click on Windows Update. Click the Check for Updates button. Windows will search for available updates, including driver updates. If Windows finds any driver updates, they will be listed under Optional Updates or Driver Updates. Check the box next to the driver updates you want to install, and then click the Download and Install button. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the installation of the driver updates. In some cases, you may need to restart your computer to finish installing driver updates.
Do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video. Thank you.